Today, anyone out and about in Kansas City, Missouri had to wear a mask inside public buildings. Several surrounding communities are adding to the growing list of communities where masks are mandatory. And Kansas Governor Laura Kelly just took it a step further by adding the entire state to that list. KCTV5's Amy Anderson is live with that story tonight. Amy?
Well, Brad, we're live here at Ranch Mart in Leawood. And if you're familiar with this area, you know there are lots of little shops and restaurants and a grocery store here. But until Governor Kelly stepped in today, there was no mask requirement here at all.
I think the whole country should.
Last week, Kansas City Mayor Quinton Lucas announced people in his city won't just be encouraged to wear masks in public buildings, they'll be required to. Over the weekend, Wyandotte County threw its support behind the plan, and today Jackson County and all of Kansas joined them. It's welcome news to most we talked to, even Tracy Bahunko, who forgot her mask at home today.
Yes, I always have it because makes no sense not to. So
last week, the Johnson County Health Department said it was relying on the shared sense of responsibility on mask wearing, leaving the decision up to the more than 600,000 people that live in the county. And that didn't sit so well with everyone who lives here.
We're spiking right now in Johnson County. I don't know what the holdup is.
We popped into several different stores on the Kansas side today, including Target and Quick Trip. And while there's no question, some are getting the message that wearing a mask can save lives, many are opting out. The CDC, the country's top doctors, and certainly our local medical community have been asking people to wear a mask in public for months now. Rita Tolliver lives in Turner, Kansas, and says she was thrilled to hear Wyandotte County is making masks mandatory. She says she knows several people who've been sick with COVID-19. Some did not survive. For her, that mask is an easy decision.
Well, I had a conversation with a young lady yesterday at church, and I told her that the same thing I'm telling you. I love you. That's why I wear my mask. I'm not just doing it for myself, and we ought to be thinking of others.
Now, it was just this afternoon, Governor Kelly announced statewide mandatory masks starting on July 3rd. So this also means if you travel from Kansas to either Florida or South Carolina, you will need to self-quarantine for 14 days when you come back. Reporting live tonight in Leawood, Kansas, Amy Anderson, KCTV5 News.
Yeah, a lot of changes. Amy, thank you.